hola, ¿cómo están? Espero que estén bien. So we're at the week now de 13 de abril hasta el 17 de abril. Y tienen dos tareas. You have two things that you need to do. El viernes tienen examen. So on Friday is your writing test for Unit 5. And you're going to need to be able to talk about things that you do, that you want to do, that you like, and that you're going to do. So let me run through those four things again. The first thing is what you are going to do. That's when we use the verb ir, to go, and you follow it up with a. For example, I am going to the movie theater. Yo voy, V-O-Y, a, and then it's el cine, but because it's on el, we make it al. So the full sentence is, yo voy al cine. And maybe you're going to say, I am going to fish. You're still going to use the V-O-Y form of yo. Yo voy. Still follow it up with the a. So yo voy a. And then your infinitive or your unchanged verb for to fish, which is pescar. So your full sentence is, yo voy a pescar. Yo voy a pescar. So those are two ways that you can use the verb ir, ir, which means to go in English. Remember, it's an irregular verb, so you just have to memorize the verb forms. And to run through them real quick, yo voy, tú vas, él va, ella va, usted va, nosotros vamos, vosotros vais, ustedes van, ellos van, ellas van. And again, ir means to go. It's irregular, so you have to memorize it. And you follow it up with the letter A. Okay, so that's how you address going to do something or a place where you're going to go. The next thing you're going to have to be able to do for your writing test on Friday is tell me what you like. And that should be easy peasy for you guys. We've been doing that from day one using me gusta. Okay, if you don't like doing something, tell me that. No me gusta. Me gusta, no me gusta. Remember, if you're going to say you like to do something, like I like to fish, it's me gusta pescar. Okay? Next, it's going to be working with the stem changing verb querer, which means to want. So that's a pretty easy verb for you guys to remember because of the Taco Bell commercial with yo quiero. So the yo form is Q-U-I-E-R-O, yo quiero. And that's how you say I want or I want to do something. So let's just stick with fishing. I want to fish. Yo quiero, which is the yo form of querer, stem changing verb, which is when you change those vowels at the front. So it's E to IE. And remember, you're still going to end in the letter O because we're in the yo form. And again, to fish is pescar. Yo quiero pescar. That would be your complete sentence. I want to watch Netflix. Yo quiero mirar Netflix. And then the last thing that you're going to have to be able to do on your writing test is tell me a few things that you do. So when you look at your Unit 5 vocab list, look at all the different verbs on there, the action words that are there: to fish, to swim, to play, etc. And you're going to be putting it in the yo form. Remember, the yo form, whether it's an AR verb, ER verb, or an IR verb, ends in the letter O. So that's easy to remember. You have to watch out for stem changing verbs. So on your vocab list, it's the very last section. And remember, it'll give you the verb. And then in parentheses, if it's a stem changer, it'll tell you how the vowel stem changes. For example, E to IE, O to U, O to UE, and so forth. So you have the writing test due on Friday. It's 10 points. Clearly it's on Schoology. Friendly reminder, especially in level 1, guys, I can tell when you use Google Translate because Google Translate does it word by word and not by full context of what you're trying to say. So that's a giveaway. The other thing is it'll put it into a higher verb form than what I'm asking you to do. Just show me what you know. Okay? Now, to get you ready for your writing test, you have a practice test for the unit. What I want you to do Monday and Wednesday is work on that practice quiz, practice test. Okay? You have to get 20 in order to get credit for the assignment. And you can do the assignment as many times as you need in order to get to the 20 points. So this week, you're doing the practice test. You're going to review your verbs. Make sure you know how to say I like, me gusta. Tell me where you're going to go or what you're going to do using voy a. So review those notes. Make sure you're good with your vocab so you're able to write some things. And then come Friday, you're going to do the actual test, the writing test. And that's out of 10 points again. If you have any questions Monday through Thursday before you do the actual test, please contact me and I'll work through whatever questions you have. But just to go through the rundown again, what you're going to do, what you like to do, what you want to do, and something you do. You need to be able to do those 4 things for your writing test on Friday. All right, guys, hope you're doing well. Take care. Bye-bye. Adios.